Dímelo, mi gente. Marcucci here again in another video, and today we're going to be doing our weekly Ondo Tokenization Roundup, where we talk about all the biggest news that are happening at Ondo, as well as the crypto/RWA space. As always, we have a lot of great, amazing news. Much of it is coming from Coinbase, which you will be able to earn up to $100,000. Obviously, we're going to be talking about that, but yeah, let's get right into it. We have a lot of great, amazing news, and most of it is coming from Coinbase because they just had kind of their like Coinbase system update. Is about 100, they got 100, like an hour and 30 minutes of them just announcing some new products that they're offering. We're going to be talking about, they want to become the financial app for everything. They're now getting into stocks, RWA and tokenization, as well as they're getting into like the business side of it for like large institutions and like small to like business, medium businesses, as well as they're doing like prediction markets. So a lot of great stuff. Obviously, I'll leave this in the description down below so you can definitely look into it. But I just wanted to say, this is the month again, right? This is December, Christmas time, holidays, whatever it may be. So they are saying this, that you're going to like give you a chance to win up to $100,000 in Bitcoin. They said someone won, and I'm not going to say what state it is. I think they mentioned what state it was, but I'm not gonna say it. Like, I'm not gonna dox them. Obviously, it's hard to like dox them, but I don't even say what state. But it looks like someone won from a state. You could definitely look at it. It is on their Twitter. But you could say to enter, just spend $100 on your Coinbase One Card. I want to make a video about the Coinbase One Card, but while you're at it, earn up to 4% back in Bitcoin purchases on every single purchase. And obviously legal stuff, like you have to spend $100 on the Coinbase card or trade $100 on Coinbase and a chance to win. No purchases necessary. Only here in the United States, and you have to be 18 and plus, and void where prohibited. Up to 25 max entries, and it ends in the new year, so 12/31/2025. So obviously, you know, do this at your own risk. I'm not saying, I'm not sponsored by them, Coinbase. If you want to sponsor me, let me know. But I'm not sponsored. I just found this super interesting, and honestly, it's worth a shot. So sign up if you're here in the United States, get the Coinbase One Card, and you will be up for, you know, earning or like winning up to $100,000. So definitely the first big news. The second big news is that here is trade stocks on Coinbase. Now you can stop switching between apps, trade your crypto and stocks in one same place with a trusted platform. So we see all the biggest stocks, all the biggest crypto, and it's rolling out in the United States. I don't know if it's going to be in New York just yet, but it's definitely exciting, right? There's a lot of changes, right? There's you have your crypto exchange, and then you have your traditional like brokerage. This one is uniting every single thing, and I just think that's super amazing. Obviously, I don't know what stocks are going to be out just yet. They haven't announced them, but I'm really excited. I'm assuming it's going to be like the top, you know, the top stocks. Also, they're saying the world's full of questions. Trade the answers with prediction markets on Coinbase. So sports, crypto, elections, Pokemon cards, I guess, world events, whatever suits your mood, all in one place. A new, easier way to participate in the biggest moments is coming. So, you know me, I'm not super fan of, you know, the gambling side of prediction markets is like so bad. I'm not really enjoy it, but you know, a lot of people are seeing prediction markets as a way to obviously like predict the future, like what's gonna happen next month, and it's gonna be, you know, it's really interesting. So I do like that. I do like that they're getting into prediction markets, and you know, I think they're partnering up with Kalshi. I believe it is. I don't want to say if they're partnering up with Kalshi, but I know they're partnering with one of the biggest prediction markets. So honestly, pretty cool. And the last one, well, not the last one, second to last one is the Coinbase Tokenized. So it's an end-to-end platform for institutions to bring assets on chain. It's fully backed, transparent, secure, and regulatory compliant. It is coming soon, so you know, this is just like a little beta. I'll obviously leave everything thing in the description down below so you can see it a little bit later. And then we have Coinbase Business, so global payments, invoices, APIs, trade and earn. As someone that, you know, family has been in business for many years, I know how expensive these like credit card systems are. I tried to do this when I was just first starting, but it was a beta, so it was like a closed-end beta. And now they announced that it's not in beta anymore. Everyone is free to use it. I think it was like 1,600 people or 1,600 businesses that were allowed. So obviously, if this could reduce your cost for credit card, you know, if you run a business, you know that the credit card fees are insane, right? It's like 2 to 3%, depending on what you have, of your like revenue. If you could lower that down to like 1% it's really big. Like you do not understand, like that's one more employee that you could hire, that's one more whatever it may be that you do invest in your business. Yeah, I think it's amazing. So it's available today for businesses in the United States and Singapore, with more regions coming soon. So obviously, really amazing. The next one, obviously, we already talked about this, but it was in the Tokenization Roundup, and I want to talk about it as much as it can, is that it is coming. So the largest platform for tokenized stocks and ETFs is coming to Solana in early 2026. Wall Street liquidity meets internet capital market. So huge, amazing partnership. I've been waiting for this since it dropped on Ethereum. So I'm really excited that it's finally happening on Solana. I cannot wait. And the next one is that we already talked about this, but it is introducing the Ondo bridge for on-chain securities. And why this is really important. So now live on Ethereum and BNB chain, the Ondo bridge enables cross-chain transfers for 100 plus stocks and on thousands of apps on Ethereum and BNB to easily add support for Ondo assets. So anywhere that you could have those Ondo assets on DeFi, it is going to be now possible with this Ondo bridge. So I'm super excited about that. I cannot absolutely wait. The next big one is from a big bank, or one of the biggest banks. JP Morgan Asset Management launches its first tokenized money market fund, and I think it's called MONY. So announced today the platform for its first tokenized money market fund, my on-chain net yield fund, MONY. What? Now available on the public Ethereum blockchain. You can see here the address. When I did search it up, it was kind of like a little bit wonky. So obviously I think it's only like a week or two old when I first saw it on an Etherscan. So I'm going to let it marinate for a couple weeks until I check it up again. But yeah, obviously really amazing. It says JP Morgan is the largest GSIB, which is a global systematically important bank, to launch a tokenized money market fund on a public blockchain, and it's only for qualified investors only. And I hate when it's just qualified investors. Like, I wish it was for every single investor. Obviously, I understand, why it's not, right? Usually with these money market funds is like quite a lot of money, but it says qualified investors can access money exclusively through the Morgan Money platform, receiving tokens at their blockchain address. Money invests only in traditional U.S. Treasury securities and repurchase agreements fully collateralized by U.S. Treasury securities, allowing qualified investors to earn yield while holding the token on the blockchain. And we've talked a lot about these money market funds, right? They're going to be a way for you to invest, get yield, and possibly redeem it 24/7 whenever you want, right at your fingertips. So honestly, really amazing, and I really can't wait. So, and they say here, so money market funds have historically played an important role in portfolios, providing investor liquidity, stability, and yield. The launch of money reflects the industry's growth, shifting towards tokenization of assets on public networks. As demand for tokenized assets grows, tokenized money market funds can help meet investors' needs while introducing new features enabled by blockchain technology. So really amazing. If you want to read like the whole report on tokenization of money market funds, definitely check it out there. I think there was something else I forgot to mention. It's here. We're excited to be the first mover with the launch of MONY, and we expect other GSIB banks to follow our lead in providing clients with a greater optionality on how they invest in money market funds. So honestly, really amazing. And I'm really excited about this. So the next one, we're not going to be talking too much in depth about the next two news, but I still want to talk about that. So Standard Chartered launches tokenized deposit solutions with Ant International. So it looks like they announced a launch. This is in Hong Kong and Singapore. So they launched a tokenized deposit solution through an integration with Ant International's blockchain treasury platform, Whale. There's so many new blockchain platforms. Like, I am in the space, almost every day, and I see new stuff every single day. So that's why it's important watching these videos and spreading the love, just sharing it with someone. Something new is always happening. So Ant Whale solution enables a company to move money around the globe instantly and 24/7 between its worldwide intra-group entities. This is necessary because Ant International provides merchant services and treasury solutions to SMEs worldwide. So honestly, really big and amazing, and congratulations to Standard Chartered. And the last one is SBI's Startail to launch regulated yen stablecoin for global settlements. So the digital yen stablecoin aims to plug Japan into on-chain finance and cross-border tokenized assets flow under the country's new FSI regime. So pretty cool. The launch is going to be in the second quarter of 2026, and they say here, where is it? So the token will sit alongside the Star Tail USD, which is another stablecoin. Yee woohoo! The firm's institutional grade dollar stablecoin for Sonium. So Sonium is the Sony blockchain, the Ethereum layer 2 blockchain, and the Startail app with USDSC anchoring dollar liquidity, and the new Yang coin providing the regulated Yang leg for FCs or FX settlements and tokenized asset flows. And it's in Q2 that they're looking to target the launch and pending final regulatory approval. So honestly, everyone's going to launch a stablecoin for their own country. I mean, not everyone, but most people. So let me know what your favorite was. Sign up if you're here in the United States for the Coinbase card, and not sponsored by them by any means, but it's free money and it's just a good way to participate. So next time you're doing groceries are super expensive. I spent the other day like over $100 when we came here to Puerto Rico. But yeah, it's just a simple buy, and yeah, hopefully you win. And if you win, do not let me know. I know a lot of people love to say, you know, how much money they have, how much crypto they have. If you win, do not let anyone know that you have won. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.